And now off we go to Puglia in Italy for the Regional Assembly of the Militia of the Immaculate. That took place on October 19th, where the members of the militia in the Italian region of Puglia held an assembly to launch the 2024-25 pastoral year at the Conventual Franciscan Social and Spiritual Center in Bari, Italy. It was a wonderful day, where the joy of so many of us being together was evident from the hugs and smiles we shared. We said our goodbyes with the hope of meeting in even greater numbers of the next gathering. A wonderful day was had by all, as you can tell from the wonderful photos and all the smiles that you see, expressions of great spiritual joy. God bless them. God bless you. May we all grow in holiness. Yes.